Hello, my name is Mason Jameson, and today I'm going to be telling you how we can make the red bean pancake. So all we're going to need is some pancake mix, a little bit of red bean paste, a little bit of water, and some cooking oil, and 1 spoonful of pancake mix. So what we're going to do is pour the whole pancake mix into there. We're going to stir it up a little. And then we're going to add a little bit of water. Not too much. And we're going to stir it a little bit more once again. Just to get a little bit mushy. Keep stirring it. And after a little bit of stirring, you will have this. Now, for your red bean paste, you only take 2 spoonfuls and put it here. Okay? And you will put a little bit of oil right into here. But first, we're going to take 1 big spoon and make it a kind of circle shape and pour it into here. And we're going to take a little bit of beans and put it into here. You can make multiples of these. So and you also have to pour one of these on top of them, so it's kind of like a sandwich. And when they're like golden brown, you want to flip them over. I'm just waiting for that one to cool down, I guess. And this is our finished product. You can put some ice cream there or a little bit of dessert taste. But let's taste it out. Let's eat it. Bottom of teeth. Real good.